Can an LLC earn interest checking accounts? Yes, an LLC can open an interest-bearing checking account and earn interest on its deposits. To do this, the account must be opened in the LLC's legal name using its EIN, not the owner's personal information. Any interest earned belongs to the LLC and is reported as part of the company's income. Earning interest can be a small way to grow business funds, especially if your LLC keeps larger balances for operating expenses or reserves. However, banks may require higher minimum balances for interest-bearing accounts, and the rates are often modest compared to savings accounts. It's important to keep the account strictly for business use. Mixing personal and business funds in the same account can jeopardize liability protection and create bookkeeping issues. Zen Business can help you form your LLC and get the EIN you'll need to open a proper business bank account. The link is in the description. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. That link is in the description too.